What if I told you there are AI tools that can help you make $100 a day starting today? In this video, I'll show you 5 powerful AI tools you can use to build income streams right now. First up is ChatGPT, and this tool alone can easily help you make over $100 a day if you use it the right way. Here's how. Businesses are constantly looking for content: blog posts, product descriptions, ad copy, social media captions, even email marketing campaigns. And instead of spending hours writing it yourself, you can let ChatGPT generate polished drafts in seconds. For example, imagine a client needs 10 Instagram captions for their fashion brand. Normally, that could take you an hour. But with ChatGPT, you can type a prompt like, write 10 catchy Instagram captions for a women's clothing store that sound trendy and fun. In less than a minute, you'll have content you can deliver, and you can charge $50 to $100 for that service. The best part? You don't need to be an expert writer. You just need to learn how to prompt ChatGPT effectively, polish the output a little, and deliver it to clients. Whether you're on Fiverr, Upwork, or reaching out directly to small businesses, ChatGPT becomes your behind-the-scenes writing assistant that makes you money while saving tons of time. So if you've got zero skills but want to start freelancing fast, ChatGPT is your ticket in. Second, we have Canva with AI features. Now, you might know Canva as a design tool, but their AI features can literally turn you into a paid designer overnight. Let's say a local business needs Instagram posts, flyers, or presentations. With Canva's AI tools, you can generate layouts, color schemes, and even captions in seconds. You don't need to be a professional graphic designer. The AI handles most of the heavy lifting, and you just add finishing touches. Here's the opportunity. Businesses pay anywhere from $50 to $200 for a social media pack of 10 to 20 posts. Imagine using Canva to create those in an afternoon. That's your $100 right there. You can sell these services on Fiverr, Upwork, or even directly pitch to small businesses who need consistent content. So even if you have zero design experience, Canva's AI tools can help you package professional-looking content that clients are willing to pay for. Third is Pictory or InVideo AI. These tools make it super easy to create faceless YouTube or TikTok videos that can generate ad revenue and affiliate sales. Here's how it works. You paste in a blog article, script, or even just an idea. The AI automatically generates a video with stock footage, music, and voiceover. That means you don't have to show your face or even record your voice if you don't want to. Now let's talk money. YouTube channels that post these types of videos, like listicles, motivational clips, or finance explainers, can get millions of views. Even at a modest scale, a monetized channel can easily bring in $100 a day from ads once you're consistent. Plus, you can add affiliate links in your video descriptions for an extra income stream. So if you've ever wanted to start a faceless content business, AI video tools like Pictory or InVideo make it faster and cheaper than ever. Fourth on the list is Midjourney or Leonardo AI. These are AI image generators that can create stunning digital art, logos, and product designs. Here's how you make money. People are already selling AI-generated artwork as prints on Etsy, t-shirt designs on Redbubble, and even stock photos on sites like Shutterstock. A single good design can keep selling over and over again, creating a passive income stream. For example, you could use Midjourney to generate 20 unique t-shirt graphics in a niche like fitness, gaming, or travel, upload them to a print-on-demand site, and every time someone buys, you earn profit without touching inventory. Designers charge $20 to $50 for a single logo or custom artwork. With AI, you can create dozens of options in a fraction of the time, then refine and sell them. That's easily a $100 day if you market your work right. So if you're creative, or even if you just want to experiment, Midjourney can literally turn imagination into income. And finally, number 5 is Durable AI or Wix AI Website Builder. These tools allow you to create a complete professional website in minutes. No coding needed. Here's the opportunity. Every small business needs a website, but most owners don't have the time or skill to build one. With Durable AI, you just enter a business type, like coffee shop in New York, and it instantly generates a full site with images, text, and layout. From there, you can customize it, add contact forms, and you're done. Small businesses typically pay anywhere from $300 to $1,000 for a simple website. Even if you charge on the low end, say $200, and you can build one in a day with AI, you're already well past the $100 per day mark. This is one of the most powerful ways to turn AI into a real freelancing business, because the demand for websites will never go away. AI just makes it 10 times faster and easier for you to deliver. So those are 5 AI tools that can help you start making $100 a day online. And the best part? You don't need years of experience, just the willingness to learn and take action. Now I want to hear from you. Which of these tools would you try first? Drop your answer in the comments. I'll be checking and replying. And if you found value in this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Profit with AI, and share this with someone who's looking to build smarter income streams. In my next video, I'll actually walk you step by step through setting up one of these tools so you can start earning right away. Trust me, you don't want to miss it.